Is that the color of aioli? Do I even know what I'm talking about? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely, fantastic day. I'm back here in the squeaky chair of doom at midnight because when else would I film? Oh, I take that back. It's actually 11:47, so I am ahead of schedule. Anyway, today what we're going to be doing on the channel is going through, you guessed it, a box. I almost feel like I should start getting sponsored by like cardboard. But today what I'm going to be talking about is the items inside of the box, which are the winter add-ons for the FabFitFun subscription. I have partnered up with FabFitFun to give you guys a little sneak peek of some of the add-ons that are going to be available to add to your winter subscription box. For those of you who do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that is $49.99 every single season, which there are 4 of. We are currently in the middle of fall-winter right now. It is technically fall, but like it's cold. Anyway, this is a fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness box that includes full-size items and you get over $200 worth of value. But if you want $10 off your first box, you can sign up with the code that I'm going to put somewhere on the screen here for you guys and down below in the description. Alrighty, so I have my box of goods here and I'm gonna go ahead and cut on into it. Okay, a bit much there. So the items I'm going to be showing you guys today are for members only. They are part of a huge flash sale that FabFitFun has where you can get like really super discounted items and they will ship with your box. These items do sell pretty quickly if you want to go check them out. Plus, if you are already a member and you upgrade to an annual subscription, you get like a early access to them. All right, so somehow I have been rambling on here for 13 minutes and 51 seconds without showing you a single product, which is absolutely terrible. I'm very sorry about that. Timestamps are always down below in the description. What's even more amazing is that I was able to cut down 13 minutes and 51 seconds into roughly 1 minute and 40 seconds. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Alrighty, the very first thing here in my little box of treats is this Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Cleanser. And I feel like the universe is telling me something beneath this very thick layer of double wear. I have quite a lot of breakouts going on, like specifically in my chin area. So this is something I'm pretty interested in trying out. This is supposed to be for anti-imperfections, which I have many of. And it is also supposed to be formulated with organic ingredients, which is really nice. Ooh, okay. Next up in here, we have a very fancy looking deodorant. This is from Happy. This is a natural deodorant with lavender and bergamot. It has very nice, like sleek looking packaging. Apparently it has no aluminum and no other bad stuff. Lavender and bergamot remind me of the Great British Baking Show. I feel like they use that all the time in cooking. I'm not really sure what bergamot is, but I think they put it in like cakes and stuff. Oh, that's a color. Oh, it smells good though. So here is the deodorant. Stop focusing on the skull. Here is the deodorant. It's a very interesting color, but it does smell very, very nice. It looks very natural, which is good. All right, listen, buddy, you really haven't been a problem before, but that camera's loving you today. All right, next up here, we have something from EIR, which I've never heard of before. This is a Cabana body spray. It says geared towards the active lifestyle. Can't relate. Cabana body spray is a refreshing deodorizing mist for people on the go. Spray yourself after the gym, yoga, poolside as a revitalizing mood lifter. Oh, okay. So it says Eir, which is air, is a mythical goddess of health and healing who believed in utilizing nature's gifts to help sustain wellness. Very lovely. Let's give it a little sniff. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That smells really, really refreshing. This might sound kind of strange, but it smells like good water mixed with some maybe essential oils and stuff. I don't know. That smells really, really nice. Alrighty, next up in here, we have something from Skin Iceland, which I have received things from them before in the past in like subscription boxes. Whoa. Okay, on the front here it says daily fluids, 3 cups of coffee, 2 glasses of wine, no water. That is almost correct with the exception of it should be 5 to 10 cups of coffee, no water. Does this box know me? Cupcakes for breakfast, popcorn for lunch. Fantastic. Anyway, so this is the Oxygen Infusion Night Cream with glacial flower extract. And I'm pretty sure that's an ingredient used quite often in Skin Iceland products. Ooh, that comes in a very nice, like hefty glass jar. It has a pretty nice scent to it, nothing too crazy or over the top, just smells kind of lotiony. But it is also supposed to give like a warming sensation, which I think is pretty cool. Alrighty, next up in here we have something from Hey Honey. me, and this is the Come Undone Face and Eye Daily Makeup Remover. So this seems pretty nice. I have used the Hey Honey like peel mask before, and I really like that, so I'm excited to give this a try. All right, next up in here we have something that is a little bit different because it is food stuff. But this Maria sample here of the pesto with creamy basil and ricotta, that was not at all an Italian accent, can be added to your add-ons for free if you do shop the add-on sale. So you can just like toss this in with it for absolutely free and give it a try. Now I'm personally somebody who loves pesto, like a lot. Would it be super disgusting if I just tried a little bit out of the package? Probably. I'm gonna do it anyway though. Oh, pesto has oil, genius. I just want a little bit, just a little bit. Ooh. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh, stop eating pesto out of the bag. All right, next up in here we have something from Lavido, and this is an Evening Primrose Seed and Sea Buckthorn and Pumpkin Seed Age Away Hydrating Cream. Sorry, I got really excited because I saw Evening Primrose, which I have been taking to help try to grow my hair. It could also very well be one of the things that's causing me to break out so bad, but like all my little baby hairs, they're just sprouting. I could have the world's worst bangs. Alright, so here is the bottle. Again, we have a nice glass bottle here. It does look like we have kind of a little bit of gap in our cream, but it's a nice pretty like pale yellow. One thing that I will say is that my Evening Primrose oil in the bottle smells terrible, so I'm hoping this doesn't smell like that. Okay, and it doesn't. It actually smells pretty nice. It does look a little bit like aioli. Is that the color of aioli? Do I even know what I'm talking about? But I am excited to try this because I have been seeing the benefits of the primrose, so I'm excited to see how it will work in a cream. All right, next up in here we have a YLLO Beauty Face Scrub. I don't know if that's supposed to be like YOLO or not, but this is a turmeric facial scrub. Oh wow, so there's all sorts of like cool things about this. It seems like it's made out of very natural ingredients, and it also says helping end child marriage, which is a fantastic cause. It also contains 10 to 15 uses, which is really cool. And then on the back here it does have the instructions, and I'm assuming that it is going to be yellow. Yellow, not YOLO. It took me that entire time to figure out that that's supposed to say yellow. And oh boy is it yellow. Okay, it does say on the back here that after you do the entire scrub that you can use a gentle cleanser if any of the yellow remains, but this seems super cool, something I haven't tried before, so I'm excited to give this a go. All right, next up here we have something from Murad, and this is an Age Reform Hydro Glow Aqua Peel. And apparently these are little masks that are supposed to gently exfoliate and intensely infuse hydration to reveal a youthful glow. So inside of here, it looks like we have 4 little packs, and it comes with a moisture infusion mask and then a retexturizing swab. That seems really cool. I'm pretty excited to try this out. I've heard some really great things about Murad, so I'm definitely excited to give this a go. I like that it has 2 little steps. It makes it feel more fancy. Okie dokie, next up here, we have something that I'm pretty excited about because it is from Glam Glow, and I've never had a full-size Glam Glow product ever. Several times I've received tiny little tubes of samples of it, but this is the Glam Glow Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. And the little box is quite fabulous. Okay, that's too dangerous. I wasn't expecting that. Why was I not expecting that? I was expecting to see kind of like a cream because it is a moisturizer, but it seems much more solid. Oh, and it like melts when you touch it. Oh, that smells just like a push pop, at least in my memory of what a push pop smells like. Ooh, that feels really nice and soft on the skin, and I smell like the Flintstones. All right, you guys, and last but not least, something I'm really excited about. Okay, so this is from Lolila, and this is the Breathe Peony and White Lily Shea Butter Hand Cream. And the reason I'm so excited about it is because Lolila happens to make one of my favorite perfumes ever. Actually, you know what? Give me a second. I'll be right back. Gotta get tucked back in. This is the Lolila Wish, and I hunted this thing down like I was hunting. My aunt had a bottle of this perfume and I absolutely fell in love with it. So I hunted down like the little boutique that she found it in somewhere in Florida, and I figured out which one it was based on like the look that I can remember of the perfume bottle. Then I found it online and I ordered it. So I am excited to try out another little Lolila item. I'm hoping this one smells just as lovely. Ooh, this comes in a very pretty bottle. It's kind of like a metallic bottle, and it has some very pretty flowers on the front. This is a Shea Butter Hand Cream. It's one of those that has like a metal cap on it on the inside, and typically you have something to stab it with. Well, I do have sharp objects, so. Ooh, okay, that's a really nice, light, pretty scent. It just smells kind of like springy and floral, but it does feel very nice and moisturizing on the skin as well. Alrighty guys, so that was some of the items that you might be seeing in the winter FabFitFun add-on sale. Remember that this is for FabFitFun members only, so if you do have a membership, you can go ahead and check out these items and see if there's anything that you'd like to add to your box. And if you're not yet a FabFitFun member, you can go ahead and use that code and get $10 off your very first box. Alrighty guys, so we have eaten some pesto together, tried on some hand cream, learned how to say the word yellow. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!